Don't you wish you could remember all the tabs you had open before the power went out, or Windows updated and your computer restarted? Hi there and welcome to our bonus midweek episode. Someone came to me the other day needing help with a wireless issue. To fix the problem, the laptop really needed a restart, but the user was reluctant to restart as they were almost at the end of their master's thesis and they had several documents open and dozens of Chrome tabs open with various research topics. In the end, we found another way to get wireless working, and she promised she would reboot it after she squared everything away on the weekend. One tip that I was able to share with her was Chrome's Bookmark All feature. Simply go to the hamburger menu, Bookmarks, and bookmark open pages. Chrome will give you a window asking you to create a folder for the bookmarks. I tend to call it the date and some sort of reference, and click Save. In your bookmarks, you will now have a new folder with that name, and inside it is all of the tabs you have open in that window. Tabs in other windows are not saved, so if you have multiple windows, you'll need to bookmark them too. Really handy if you want to be sure you have all those resources. It's worth noting that Chrome will usually give you the option to restore all tabs if it's restarted, but it's safer to be sure. I have noticed there can be some glitchiness with multiple windows open, especially if there are multiple Chrome accounts with Windows open. Hope that was helpful. At The Tech Doctor, our goal is to guide you each step of the way to help you feel comfortable with your computer. Come back every weekend for new videos and please subscribe. Leave your questions or comments below. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.